Hello everyone and welcome to a quick gaming tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the language in the First Descendant. This is actually quite simple and can be done in 3 different places in the game. Here we are on the start screen and I can access the option by pressing the O key. In the menu I switch to Audio and find the language at the top. If your game is set to a language you don't understand, just use the third tab and the first 2 options. I have the option of changing both the text language and the spoken language. Since I'm not able to understand Korean, I will change the text language to German. And as soon as I click on it, the new language will automatically set. But for you to understand the rest of the tutorial, I will change it back to English. That's how easy it is to change the language in the First Descendant. But now I will show you the other 2 places where you can access this menu. We have the same option in the character selection. Here too we can access the menu with the O key and find the language option under Audio and these first 2 options. And in the last step we go into the game to show where you can find this option there. In the game I first have to press the escape button and then we find the options here on the left. And from here it's the same menu, we go to Audio and the first 2 options are for selecting the language. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.